Welcome to our new listing in the place at Corkscrew, 17581 Kinzie Lane. We are so excited to share this home with you. Come on in and let's take a tour. So this is a Tivoli floor plan. It is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. An amazing feature of this home is the beautiful glass front door, which lets in a ton of natural light. And we're gonna show you now the front bedroom, which is currently being used as an office. But a great bonus is that this has an ensuite bathroom attached. Great double window, lots of good space in this bedroom. So this open floor plan living does have a dedicated space for a dining room, as you can see here, and a really large kitchen. Look at all the countertop space. You have a nice island in the center and an opportunity for another eat-in kitchen area if you want it. It's currently being set up as a children's play space. And one of my favorite features of the Tivoli is a dedicated laundry room. We can't quite show that to you today because the pets are in there, but I promise you that's a dedicated laundry room behind that door. So very open living. You can see the crown throughout, really nice upgrades. And you can see with this open living, it opens right up into the family room area. But what's nice with this setup is you get a little bit of separation between the kitchen and the family room. The Tivoli bedrooms have a nice split bedroom design with the bedroom up front. Right over here, we actually have 2 bedrooms with a shared bathroom in between. That is also the bathroom for the home. And it does have a dual sink and a bathtub shower combo. So a great bathroom to utilize as your guest bathroom and your secondary bathroom here for these bedrooms down on this end. The master bedroom gives you a lot of space for a really nice oasis. Big double window, letting in all kinds of light. Really good size in here, plenty of room for furniture. You can see there's even an extra seating chair in here. We do have a linen closet, and wait till you check out this customized closet. It is huge. This is one of the biggest walk-ins that I've seen, and they did customize it to really maximize the space. It's incredible. And the master bathroom has a dedicated walk-in shower, soaker tub, and of course, double sinks and your dedicated water closet. So all the lights and fans have been swapped out and upgraded in this home. You can see we've got displays on the wall for easy access, turn the light on and off, change the fan speed. Lots of nice extra additions. You can see the sconces that are hanging on the wall. So really love and care has gone into this family home. One of the best features of this home is the large triple slider that opens up into a great outdoor covered space. And you can see this is a fabulous, flat, really good sized backyard. Quite private the way that it's set up with all of the landscape behind there, and plenty of room to add a pool, extend your lanai out, whatever your heart might desire. I really want to emphasize one of the greatest things about stepping up to the Tivoli is it brings you to the 3-car garage. So this is huge in Florida. We don't have basements. We do store a lot in our garages, and it definitely doesn't hurt on resale value either.
So I'm adding these couple clips in here because I want you guys to be able to just get a peek at the amenities. If you want to see the full thing, make sure you watch the video at the end with the full community tour. But take a look at this. You can see the splash pad for the kids. There's an oversized hot tub, huge 0 entry pool in a couple spots. Yes, that is a 100-foot water slide in the middle. And there'd normally be 2 waterfalls, but you can see they're cleaning the pool. You can actually see them there in the middle. But this is the pride of the community, is just how great these amenities are. There is a poolside bar and restaurant that attaches to this, a huge fitness facility, cafe, etc. And then I'm going to show you one other teaser shot here. This is of the racket sports. On the bottom right, you can see the bocce courts as well. But we have 5 Hard-True clay tennis courts, 1 ball machine court, and there's actually 8 pickleball courts because the sport is just growing in popularity.
If you want to learn more about this home, any home in Southwest Florida, we would love to talk to you. You can reach us anytime calling or texting at 239-776-6872. You can also find us on all the social media. And if you want to learn more about what this community that this home is listed in has to offer, check out our video on the place at Corkscrew and see all the amazing amenities it has to offer.